We are going to open with a small gap to the upside, and overnight inventory is again forming a double distribution. It tagged almost all-time highs on the adjusted contract. In the overnight we had this big resting liquidity for a few days around 3700, and it came off just as we started moving higher, so it did trade above 3700, but didn't do much volume, so I think that the liquidity is truly gone. Going into today's session, I think that filling the gap will be crucial, and maybe it will be better seen on the bigger picture. So we've been balancing for a while, and those 2 days effectively flashed some weaker longs and shorts. So now we have stronger longs than we had 2 days ago, and we flashed the weakest shorts, so now we should have stronger shorts. This area is going to be important. If we can establish value here, then it is of course very positive for the markets for upcoming breakout from this balance, and we can reach another 60-70 points higher. And if we fail here, then we will be targeting opposite side of the balance. First we will be targeting, since it is inside day breakout, we'll be targeting low of this day, then low of this day, and low of the balance, which is here. But along the way there are few very important areas. First is this high volume node, then this inflection point and low volume node, then we have high volume node, some minor inflection point, but really next support is going to be 36-35, and if we can get below, I think that we will find acceptance back to previous balance we've been trading in November. So what can we expect today? I think that an early trading will be very telling, and either we can fill those overnight singles and retest yesterday's high, then bounce, or fail to fill the singles, fail to fill the gap earlier, and then you will have to just go with the gap and possible target all-time highs and higher, which can cause some short squeeze. Very important is of course that today we have FOMC announcement, which can bring some volatility, and then we can trade both ways, and we can establish bigger range. So this is question mark, because things can change, and we can lose some volatility before the announcement, but I think that same probabilities that we can trend within a small pace to the upside or to the downside, like we did 2 days ago. So alternatively, if we fill the gap, we can then either build acceptance within yesterday's range. So here is first clue for rejection, then second and third will be around yesterday's settle, yesterday's TPO point of control, and then maybe we will test higher to retest point of control, because overnight inventory is long, and yesterday created some long inventory. Also this inventory wasn't getting much, so they might be easier to shake out. So if we correct inventory early on, it can develop into something stronger, so we can test overnight low and yesterday's M low, and here is another possibility for excess. Then we will be forming value around here, but the thing is that if we get rejection from here, I am not that inclined to buy, because we'll be effectively having a failed breakout from balance from this level, and then every move to the upside is going to be for a potential short to first fill the singles and then maybe target lower extreme of this day. So overall, I think that we might create few profile shapes. First, with value clearly higher with rejection from the lows, and alternatively we can trade higher early on, get some liquidation and form a B-shaped profile. I'm not sure if we can see some more selling. I think that the biggest odds are for B-shaped profile, but on the other hand, 2 days ago we had trend day down, so the profile was thin and extended, so it is also a possibility. But I will be I'll have more information if we build some more TPOs below yesterday's high. Then it will be more, well, then it will be mostly telling how things can develop. And of course, FOMC announcement is going to be potential volatility trigger.